Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast on the Emerald Princess cruise ship. Just outside of my door, this is a balcony room I got with a comp offer matching casino statuses and offers. I'm by the door and it's detecting I'm near the door unlocked. I have this medallion on a lanyard around my neck they gave me for this cruise. So I come within distance of the door unlocked. Pretty cool, rather than having a cruise card and a lanyard. So coming into the room, you can see the full room and see my luggage arrived not too long after getting on the ship. I went to the buffet, had lunch, and the luggage came a little bit after. Spacious storage, a shelf up here, lots and lots of hangers on this side. The lights are reflecting with the camera, and more storage areas, a safe inside, old safe, and into the bathroom. See a okay spacious shower and a simple curtain, no glass door on this one like some other ships. Nozzles in the middle, shampoo, conditioner, body wash bottles, some shelf hand wash and body lotion again, just one sink and a small area sufficient for me. Have the two beds here. This can be put together, but for now it's just two. I like that this one is against the wall. It's a personal preference. Nightstand, two drawers, a little cubby, and space on top. I don't see any plugs here to charge phone, so this is going to be a problem having to extend if you're with two people. Otherwise, on this side there's a plug on the desk that you could run a charging to this nightstand. And if you like mirrors, you're going to be a fan of this room. Mirror over there, mirrors here on the mini bar, and this little table. So here's the mini bar area. Open this, and we have a fridge. So there's nothing in here. I give them credit for that, unlike other ships that like to stock it and then charge you. Have some glassware and more mirrors, more reflecting. Hey, look, it's another mirror. And the desk area. The desk. Got a special letter here. Welcome to Princess event. On Tuesday, on behalf of our captain, officers, and teammates, we want to have the best possible cruise, create lasting memories, like to invite you to an important event just for you. Meet the cruise director, officers, usually some complimentary drinks, which I get anyway. It says prizes including onboard spending credits and elite status benefits. Princess Patter. So this is a brochure talking about what's going on throughout the day, upcoming opportunities. Princess Guide for loving your cruise. So it's showing Wi-Fi, dining, and more. Water shuttle service, if you want to get that. And the plug. This is a little bit quirky. I brought my multi-plug here that has the European and UK. And when I move this thing, it's hitting the light. So the plug being close to the light, not so good. But you see, this is like a US plug here. So I don't have to use the UK and EU, but I have it with me, so why not? Over here, it looks to be a hair dryer and a port right there to charge, and the interesting balcony here with a handle comes out, and we'll go inside. Hopefully not too windy to mess with the audio. So we walk right out, and currently still at the port, Civita Vecchia. We have the big T ship over here. Tirrenia, I suppose is the name of that, if I'm pronouncing that. And see some of the other ships and activities. I came into Civita Vecchia, rode 2 trains, and got here. Walked past a lot of these buildings. Pretty cool place. Balcony, see the 360 view, get an all-around view. 2 chairs out here, a small table, and it's separated from the other balconies. Some suites on here as well. So a nice view of the cruise port from the balcony. We'll get some good views as this goes on, I'm sure. Opportunities for reels on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Follow Justin Vacula on Instagram, Hurdy Gurdy Travel on YouTube. Get another view of the room from this side. So very spacious, lots to see. I'm seeing up here another area to charge things. That's nice. More charging ports, the better. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.